How to delete a Facebook page. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. Open the Facebook app. Click on the profile you want to delete. Open that page. Now for example, I open this page. On the top left, you'll find the 3 lines. Click on that. Open your setting options. Once you open your setting options, here you'll find an account center. Click on see more and then click on manage accounts. Once you click on manage accounts, you have to click on account ownership and you have to choose deactivation or deletion, and then you have to select the page you want to delete and then click on deactivate or delete. Here you want to delete it, so you click on delete, you click on continue, then it will ask you a password. Once you fill in your password, it will again ask you, are you sure you want to do it, and it will permanently delete your page. But there is an undo option. If you log in your page in the next 30 days, you can reactivate your account, but if you don't log in, your account will be permanently deleted. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.